Hey guys, so happy. Today's what? Thursday. Yes, today's Thursday. So, this is day one of chemotherapy. I did take the first shot today. First, I went through an emotional roller coaster of the insurance not wanting to pay. Um, I'm trying to remember the reason. Oh, it needed prior authorization. The medication needed prior authorization. So basically, first, the nurse said they filed a couple of days ago and it was kicked back because of the diagnosis. And of course, it's very confusing, especially giving chemo, we know is for cancer. And so giving chemo for a molar pregnancy is kind of medically, yeah, but it makes sense if the insurance is going to question it. So they first kicked the first authorization out. So my nurse had to go back to file another case, and this time to explain why I needed the medication. And so, although I have treatment lined up for 2 cycles, the insurance said they weren't going to pay it because it needs prior authorization. And so I called my broker. My job has a broker that provides us with insurance. So I called the broker um, to find out, hey, what's going on? My doctor is trying to get this medication prior approved and it's not going through. And so I'm guessing when the broker called the insurance, basically a magic happened, or maybe God just opened the way somehow. And so, yeah, it finally was approved. And for the cycle not to be thrown off, because if I had missed today, then the cycle was going to be thrown off. So basically, when the call came around 2 o'clock, I had no choice but to go in the next available appointment, which was 2 hours after, which was good. And so going in, it was just the mind thing of me not liking needles. I am scared of needles. And so, yeah, just the fear of that crippled me. But I went in, of course, it's a cancer chemo infusion center. So there were patients getting chemotherapy through infusion. Mine was injection. So I don't think I spent more than 15 minutes there. It was first walking through if I have any questions, what to expect. And so because mine is 90 milligrams of dose, I guess it was too much for one syringe. So they had to separate. I had to get 2 injections for the 90 milligrams. And so, yeah, it was given in the backside. It couldn't go into the arm. It has to be given in the backside. Um, it wasn't bad. Like, I was anxious for nothing. I was scared for nothing. It wasn't bad. Injection wasn't bad. And this is the reason for these videos that I post to help somebody going through the same thing that I'm going through. Because I saw people giving themselves the injection through their stomach. I saw people getting the shot once a week, and with me getting it every other day, I didn't see anybody with that kind of video out there. And so that's encouraged me to put my story out there that I'm getting a 90 milligrams methotrexate every other day for molar pregnancy after DNC. And basically, after the DNC, somehow I had metastasized, I guess that's the word, into my lungs. And so now I do have 2 tumors. It hasn't been diagnosed as cancer, but 2 tumors in my lungs. and also my ACG level is not dropping. And so these are the reasons why I'm going through chemotherapy. And so I wanted to share my first day of chemo. I took it, it's now 7 o'clock. So I took it maybe 3 hours ago. I came home normal. I wanted to eat. I did eat. Actually, I stopped by to pick up some medications that I'm supposed to be taking. So 30 hours after each chemo, I'm supposed to take, uh, I don't have the name of the medication, but I'm supposed to take a medication, kind of folic acid, to help with my blood count so my blood count doesn't drop too low. And so I picked the prescription up. And for some reason, whilst in the store, I craved cake, icing on the cake. So I picked up a cake, which I came home and ate it. I am good so far. I have a normal appetite. Um, there are times I feel burning sensation in my body. I have no pain, slight headache. I did have slight dizziness when it was given to me, but basically I walked home. I came, Hasbi helped me do some squats so my butt doesn't hurt or my hip doesn't hurt. But so far so good. Everything is good. As I said, today is Thursday, so I have to go back Saturday, which is day 3. So I'm taking it day 1, day 3, day 5, day 7. Then I take a break, then start the cycle over. So yes, Saturday will be day 3. I will keep you guys posted, but so far God is good. God has been so good. I can't even say it enough. He's been so good. This has been a stressful journey. And basically coming to this point, I'm like, I was stressed for nothing, yo. It wasn't even me stressing. It wasn't worth the stress. Yeah, that's how God is good. So I'll keep you guys posted.